Hey, my friend, I'm about to show you the fifth dimension and how to enter it to get everything that you want quicker and faster. But first, what the heck is the fifth dimension? Right? We're familiar with the first three dimensions, with length, with width, with height. These dimensions define the physical space that we live and everything that we can perceive with our five senses, like all the nature around me. And then we have the fourth dimension, which is time. It's like a river and it only flows in one direction forward in a linear fashion, but it moves freaking slow. And this can be pretty limiting because it means we're always moving slowly from one moment to the next without the ability to jump ahead or rewind. Like, for example, if you wanted to create a new future with more money, a new job, more fulfilling romance or relationships, you want to change your health, but you're stuck here, slowly waiting for the ticking of time to pass. But what if I told you there's a way to step into the fifth dimension, a realm where you're no longer bound to the rules of space and time? In this dimension, you could travel to the past, to the future with ease. You can materialize anything that you think about almost instantaneously. Now, scientists like Albert Einstein believed the existence of up to 11 dimensions. But what if you could just tap into the fifth dimension alone? It would be similar to being an all-powerful and an omnipotent being like ancient civilizations described as deities in human form. They're capable of actions and performing miracles that are totally beyond our fundamental understanding of reality itself. Now, the good news is science proves this is available to you. So I want to invite you to step into the next dimension where you can wield godlike powers to bend your reality and to control time itself. According to scientific experts, the fifth dimension is the place where your power of focus or thought can basically conjure up anything at a moment's notice. And it kind of sounds crazy, I admit, but this is the realm where people like Jesus were able to perform miracles, a divine state of consciousness that could control time and space instantly. He could tell the mountains to move, and they did. Hey, guys, just move a little bit. He could heal people instantly. He could manifest anything in a moment's notice. So was Jesus Christ's consciousness a glimpse into our own potential if we understand how to harness the fifth dimension? In our current reality, those kinds of things are called miracles. But in the fifth dimension, they're the norm, because once you cross the fourth dimension and you escape the prison of linear time and your five senses, miracles do become normal. Here, every conceivable future exists simultaneously, and you are directing the outcomes based off your focus, and then they materialize in the present instantaneously. This dimension grants you mastery over time. It eliminates the concepts of past and future to immerse you in an eternal and infinite now. So the fifth dimension, it reveals a universe that has endless parallel realities. So if you're finding this hard to grasp, you're not alone. If it's not making sense, it's because it is nonsense, meaning it's actually entirely beyond the perception of our five senses itself. It's beyond senses. It's no sense. We're not just passive observers anymore in a predetermined reality. Instead, in the fifth dimension, it's giving us an array of infinite timelines in infinite universes. They're each representing a path not taken, a choice we haven't made yet in linear existence. And all of these future desires that you want are already here now waiting for you in the fifth dimension. And as experts in science and physics have shown us, there's 11 dimensions and maybe beyond. So I invite you to consider that it isn't just about exploring parallel universes, it's about actively choosing your reality from an endless spectrum of beginnings that mirror your own right now. So I want to invite you to leave the fourth dimension. Just leave it with me. Imagine it's kind of like a scene in that movie Inception where we transition from the tangible, time-bound world into something new. So here, your life transcends experiences that are perceived through your senses, period. Instead, it's an infinite selection of potential futures. So every possibility exists not as tangible matter, but as vibrational energy within what scientists call the quantum field. So when you're in the fifth dimension, awareness is the key. Because getting what you want doesn't come down to your physical efforts. You don't need to work harder. You don't have to take more actions. You don't have to wait longer periods of time to manifest something that you desire. Instead, your mind can materialize any alternative reality instantly because there is no time and it's all happening now. And that's why I got so into using a success hypnosis to retrain my mind, because once I realized this and I wasn't getting what I want in life and I wanted to become a big, successful, international published author, I realized the problem was my subconscious conditioning and my subconscious thought patterns that were keeping me stuck where I was. And Stanford University says 95% of your life is subconscious, your thoughts, your actions, and it's predominantly negative. So these things are stopping us. So I started retraining it. Within a couple years, I had 3 books with the #1 English publishing company. I became a millionaire in my mid-20s. So you can use my free success hypnosis if you click right here, or it's pinned to the comments, or it's in the description. It's jakeshypnosis.com. And let's dive deeper into how you can take fifth dimensional awareness and materialize miracles now. Now, the key is our individual vibrational state aligning with a potential outcome that we desire in the quantum field, right? Do you see how revolutionary this is? The fabric of reality itself can be shaped with the power of your mind without the need for physical actions, right? Remember, I was talking about Jesus and performing miracles and the all-powerful deities that ancient civilizations were writing about, right? So to master the fifth dimension, we have to understand that reality is shaped by achieving harmony with 3 universal elements. Clear intention, which is defining what we wish to manifest, then focused attention or coherent thought, so crafting the mental image of our intention, and then elevated emotion, so infusing our intention with emotion and heartfelt energy. So these 3 elements, intention, attention, and emotion, are the cornerstone of fifth dimensional creation. They enable us to attract our desires directly from the quantum field and to experience them almost instantaneously without the limits of time and space. So remember, Jesus said, "Ye too are gods." You can do all of these works and even greater, right? So this shift is about tapping into our divine consciousness, experiencing just like a little glimpse of the omnipotence of the ascended masters. So we're not merely wishing for future possibilities. Like, I hope the money comes, I hope my soulmate comes. We're actively pulling these desires from the omnipresent realm into our current reality. This is fifth dimensional living, where miracles are not the exception. They're the standard, right? It's just like Wayne Dyer. He used to always say, "I'm realistic, I expect miracles." You can comment that down below. I'm realistic, I expect miracles. So my friend, I want to invite you to consider, this isn't me, some guy sitting in the middle of the desert with mountains that's claiming there's all these dimensions. Albert Einstein and some of the top genius scientists and physicists in the world have researched and explained these 11 dimensions. But the fifth dimension alone can change your life forever. It's very simple. The what? A clear picture, your intention. Then the next step is to have coherent thought, is that your mind consciously and subconsciously are aligned, and then an elevated emotion, feeling the feeling of that being fulfilled. The same way that Jesus, he would thank the Father for the mountains move and healing people before it happened. He was in the state of the wish being fulfilled. And when you do this, time starts to bend. So I invite you to get my free success hypnosis to start to align your subconscious, your unconscious mind with your desires that already exist in the fifth dimension. You can click right here, or you can go to the link in the description or pin to the comments right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And I invite you to enter fifth dimensional thought and see how powerful your mind really is. Do you want to change your bank account, your love life, your health, your career, your house, your home? What is it? You can do it quicker and faster than you think because your desires already exist. So if you enjoy this video outside in nature and you want to see more, give me a comment right there down below and let me know. If you enjoy this video, hit the like, subscribe, bell notification, and you can click right here to watch another video now.